Hello everybody, and welcome to our second Quick Clips video. So as you can see, I'm outside, and there's a good reason for that. We have a few more weeks of decent weather, so if you want an activity to possibly do outside with your students to make some music, then I have the activity for you. So there's a lot of different materials that we can find outside, maybe in your schoolyard, right? Or maybe some gym equipment or whatever is available just outside. And we're gonna combine them to maybe make some new sounds and possibly create a song, all right? So first things first, we have to go out and find some things that might make some sounds. So I'm gonna go look around nature and find some things. I'll be right back. So I found some tall grass. And when you move it, it's got this cool wind sound. I love that. Obviously, I'm not going to pick it, but there's just an idea. There's just something you can work with. We got a big find. I actually found a bucket out here. What are the chances of that? The best instrument that exists. So not a bad haul of stuff that I found. Keep in mind, kids are way more creative than I am. So there's a good chance that they're gonna find even better things to make music out of. But the idea is to just find things around. Obviously don't destroy nature, but find things around that can make some sounds. And then maybe you could use those sounds to recreate some sounds in nature, right? Wind, rain, footsteps, animals, stuff like that. So there's a way to make music outside and creatively compose. All right, good luck, and I'll see you next week with another Quick Clips. Bye.